Cryptoforexmarket. Here in this video session, I'm going to be looking at the altcoins, and amazingly, we have seen the altcoins shoot up, which I'm going to show you from here. We've actually done a bull run, and yeah, it's looking really good, really good. So first off, I'm going to look into XRP USD, which I've got on my chart right now. We got a bull run, which is happening right now on the weekly. For the past week, this candle here is literally being very bullish. The previous week is being bullish as well. My EMAs, which I've got up here, which you could see here, these little squiggly lines, they're actually pointing up. So we're looking to hit the $1 mark at the moment. The $1 mark has been hit before and previously, as you could see here. BE means engulfing candle, which gave you a bearish drop. So we had a drop here before, once and twice, and now it's to hit a third time. This area most likely will be weak, so we could get the break of this resistance breaking up to the $1 mark. So this could very well happen, very much happen, definitely. So yeah, we could see previously it's been a supply level where it's literally hit this level, come down, hit again, come down. It's hit there, it's come down, hit there, it's come down. So let's see if it's going to break this level here, which I believe it could do. It could definitely break it. So we got another supply level up here. So if we get past the $1 mark here, we're going to hit the $2 mark, and we could see that that was a previous supply level here. Supply level meaning that literally it's sold off. So these are the areas to watch out for. So once we get to the $1 mark and it literally tests this area as a good support level, meaning that this level here will be turned into support and not resistance. So anytime price breaks a level, it usually turns it into the opposite, which was this should be turned into support. If it breaks this level and tests it properly, then we could see literally price going to the upside, the $2 mark, as I've drawn here. So we could see my fib levels is stayed intact, is holding this level here. So XRP USD, we're looking at a bull run at this present time. If I go down to the daily, just look at it on a more detailed level, we could see, yeah, it's going to that side, so to the upside. So we could see that it wants to test this area again. You can see a sharp drop where it recently tested before back in January 28th. We could see another test happening again. So if we get a breakthrough here, just watch this level and it breaks up to the upside from here. If you see that, then successfully, if we get a break and close above here, then we could see the $1 mark hitting. So for me to see a break and close, we're going to have to see a candle literally like this, close like this. We're not going to see a wick like this. We're going to have to see a full closure like this for me to say that, yeah, this is literally broken this level to test this $1 mark area. But yeah, if you guys are in, good for you. I'm in myself, and you guys just got to hold it and just be patient. So we could see on the 4 hour, we're getting ups and downs, ups and downs. So the next level should be going up from here on the 4 hour, as you could see here. It's literally holding my trend line. So if I come back out of it, I'm looking for that to shoot up. So that's looking really good for XRP. Fantastic. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. So I'm going to go on to the other coins. So XRP is doing really well. I'm going to go on to, let's see, I think I'll leave Bitcoin last. Let's go on to GRT USD, as we previously looked at before. You could see GRT USD is holding at the moment. We had a dip, and now it's back on the support level again. So we had a dip here, and then it's back on here again to eventually go up. So this level seems like it's a strong level here, but we had the market makers do a sharp sell off here. So anybody's stop loss that was here would have been literally out. So that's why, yeah, for these kind of currencies to have a wide stop loss and literally hold for the long term, it's best to just hold long term if you want to make a significant profit out of these markets here, out of these coins. So yeah, that's a bit consolidating at the moment. But if I go on to another one, which we looked at in the past, KSM BTC, yeah, wow. If you remember, I talked about this level. It was here. It never came back down. It tested my 61 fib and it's gone straight up. Look at that. Wow. You see how many pips that is. That's like 4,000 and odd pips. So, and it's literally tested my 71 fib ratio here, as you could see. It's gone straight up to the upside. So anybody that was in this trade here, you're literally laughing. So yeah, so you could see that it's tested my minus 27 perfectly, and it's tested minus 61. So it seems like it wants to continue going up. Yeah, so that's a really good move it's made there. KSM BTC. So anybody in there, well done. Comment, put a like, please subscribe, because you could see my channel is giving you literally a lot of profit for your money. So yeah, my fibs work perfectly. As you could see here, that's holding really nicely. So yeah, a lot of these altcoins are doing really well at the moment. Really, really well. So shall I just leave these levels here to that level here? So next time when we look at it, you could see the difference. So next time we look at it, it will probably be out here somewhere. So you could see this is the last time that we looked at it, which is today. Previously, we looked at it around here. It never broke down. It came up more and it tested my 61 area. And now it's testing it tested minus 27 area here perfectly. You see that on my fib? So guys, if you could get to know fibs, it is literally worth it. So that's looking really good. So I'm going to go into the next coin. We're looking at, let's go for Adana. Yeah, Adana hasn't done too bad. It's literally holding my 61, slightly consolidating. So if we get another dip down to the 61, that would be another good buy area. If you missed out on this, guys, this area here will be a very good buy. So yeah, it hasn't moved up to the upside yet, so that's holding steady on this area here, kind of consolidating. So if we just move it out a bit, so next time we look at it, we'll see where it's gone. But yeah, this seems like it's going to go back down to this area here before actually going up. So this is a coin to watch out for, because you're going to get your buys in soon around this area. So we're going to go to the next video, which we're going to look at another coin, which is one of my favorites, called Dogecoin USD. Dogecoin USD, as you could see, it's literally consolidated. It's holding my 61 fib area here. If I just pull this fib out, we could see literally it's consolidating as well. So you could see these altcoins, some of them are moving up really nicely and some of them are just staying in one area. So I guess this is literally wanting to push up, as I could see here in the daily. But a good buy area would be around this area, the fib 61 area would be a very good buy area here for Dogecoin. So literally it hasn't broken down. So you could see these altcoins, they wanna go up. That's what they want to do. They want to go up, but something's holding them down at the moment. And I believe once I see the USD currency, which is the Dixie, the dollar, literally weaken again, then I will see the Dogecoins going up even more. But for now, we could have some consolidation for the Doge coins, and some of them might even go up slightly. But those slight movements that I've seen, you could get a lot of pips out of it, a lot of pips. So yeah, this is just holding steady on my fib 61. So yeah, if we get a drop down to this area here, then I would say it's a good buy area. If you guys want to buy in, you could buy in around that area there. So yeah, let's go to another coin, Altcoin we previously spoke about. And as you could see, Altcoin on the daily, we've been having a bull run on the daily. We had the market come down really hard. So the market makers literally, they want to get people at this market because obviously, you know, they know that people are buying around this area here. So that's what the market makers like to do. They like to stop people out at times. So you got to have that stop loss, literally quite wide stop loss. So for this, I would say that you put a small amount and literally just hold it for the long term. So if you put a small amount like in a wallet, I would say hold it on a wallet, then you can't lose. So if you, for example, stick some like $100, £100 on there, and you buy it at a low price, literally like 36 cents or something like that, literally you're not going to be stopped out at all. So I would say do something like that, and literally you could just hold this, and literally this will be all right. So even if you had this kind of movement, it wouldn't affect you at all, because obviously you're buying just a small amount of this coin, which is at a low, which was at a low price around here. So this would have been a good area to buy in at. Even if it came down here, that wouldn't have done nothing really. So we could see this coin is literally gone up. It's doing really, really well. We had the consolidation here. That's what I was saying before. On the previous coins that we looked at, we saw consolidation, and then we saw it say like around this area. But you could see that this is consolidated and it's pushed straight up. So that will continue most likely to go up before coming down a little bit, then to continue up as I've drawn here. Probably come up here, continue down, and then continue up. So yeah, it's doing really well. I'm really happy about that. Please subscribe, please like if you like my content, my educational content. And you know, this is for you guys if you want to get in. If you don't want to get in, then you can learn and literally get in when you're good and ready. But yeah, this is looking really well. Looking really good. Looking really good. So yeah, that's another coin. And we could see that, let's see on the weekly. Yeah, we've had a massive weekly candle, bullish candle here, which is closed bullish. So we could expect more bullish momentum on this coin here. We can see previously this coin literally was up here. So let's see if we could break this high on this level. So if I just mark it out, this is a supply level here. So if we could break this level here, then literally this thing's going to go to the moon. Literally go to the moon. So we got my minus 61 dead on the supply level. As you could see, my fibs work perfectly to the levels. As you could see, it's no magic. It's just how fibs are. So if you could learn fibs, then you know where you could buy in at, where you could sell in at, and it's just perfect. I use it all the time. So yeah, so the next level is that level to break. So I'm going to type in supply level here. So that's a level to watch out for right here. So once we get a break and close above this level, then I would say that it will be safe to buy in at around this level here. So we need a candle literally that's going to break and close just above this level out here. So we're going to see a candle just like that and close above this level for me to get in at the test of this level to buy in to go up even more. So that's what I'm looking for next. So yeah, that's looking really well, looking really good. So I'll just save that here, and then I'll go in to the next coin. Let's see what we got here. KSM BTC. We've done that one already. I think we have. Yeah, we've done that one. We've done Dogecoin. We've done Adana. We got all these selections here. ALG, we've never done that one. So we could see ALG as well is kind of bullish. It's consolidated quite a lot. I believe this coin here is ready to move soon to the upside. It's just a matter of time before it moves up. So again, if you bought in at this level would have been a good level to buy in at. I would say this level, but this level really would have been the best level. So even if it came down a bit and came back up, you're literally midway in to the buy. So you can see it never broke this level here. It's consistently just held this level around here. If we look at weekly, you could see on the weekly level, it's very strong. So we've got a lot of bullish momentum. So if we break this high, then literally we're going to go to this high here. So this is a level to look at, a supply level here. So let's see if we could get a break of that level here. Oops, don't know why this keeps on happening. Let's just type in this box here, supply level. So let's see if we could break this level here. It seems like around this level right here, that's where it came back down. If we could break that area here, then the next area to get in at will be here. So we're going to look for something like this. I'm going to put my charger on the battery. See, my battery is giving me an indicator saying it's low. So quickly stick the charger in. Excuse me, guys. I want this to stop and you guys miss my video. Yeah, okay, charger in, all good. So yeah, I'm looking for a move like this, and then to break this area here, right there. So this would be another level to watch out for, because that was a supply level before. So if we get a break above this level, then this thing's going higher. So this is the level to break here. Supply level to break. And then this is another supply level to break here. Yeah, so we're looking very bullish. So let's see what happens here. So I'm going to put in a level here. So we can get a little indicator telling me once it's broken this level, I'll literally get price tell me on my phone that it's broken it. And then we can get another, excuse me for that, alarm's gone off. And then we could get another alarm in here. So I'm going to put an alarm here, so I'll know broken level to buy. Okay, let's continue. And then once that breaks up there, then I'll know anyway. So I'll leave that for now. So let's see what happens around this area here. Just delete that. So yeah, this is a challenging area to be challenged. Once we get a break above strong candle closure here, then we could be looking to the upside. So let's see what happens. So yeah, guys, if you never got in around this level, then I would say I would wait upon this level being tested to get in at. If we get another fall of this candle back down to here, then yeah, definitely buying at around this level. But at the moment, I won't buy in at around this level for now. I'll leave it and wait until this level. All right. So yeah, this is looking really good. So as I said from before, we never got a break above. So guys, if you see the content that you like, the education that I'm providing, you know that it's good for you, please hit a like, please subscribe. All those that hasn't subscribed and you're watching my channel, so I could give you guys the content that you need continually and you won't miss out. So yeah, that's looking really good. So I'm going to go on to another coin. I think we've done most of them. So let's go for Bitcoin. Bitcoin at the moment has been relatively weak. We haven't broken this area here. He's tried it 1, 2, and it's a third time it hasn't broken it. So literally in a matter of time, maybe a couple of months or so, we could see Bitcoin falling. Yes, we got a bull run on Bitcoin at the moment. It's very bullish, and I believe it could reach 80,000, most definitely around that area. But for now, we've made some higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We haven't had a higher low yet. So I believe that Bitcoin is going to drop at some point down here. So guys, you'd say, is it a good time to buy in at right now at this high peak? I would say definitely no. Me personally, I would wait until we get a break down below. And once we get a break below to make a lower low around this area where it broke out of, you can see right here, it never tested it yet. So once we get a test here, then definitely Bitcoin will continue to go up. So I would safely say buying around this level. So I'm going to mark it here for you guys. This is the level to buy in at. Buy in at this level to be tested. Because if Bitcoin was going to go up, it would have gone up a long time ago. But somehow this is a higher high anyway, so I would never buy in at this level here. So on a weekly time frame, this weekly level needs to drop before going back up again, and that hasn't happened yet. So for me, I believe that we're going to get a huge drawdown before going back up again. So if you guys want to hold for the long term and you've been holding from around here, then that's fine, no problem. But if you guys just want to get in now, I wouldn't get in. I would get in here and just hold for the long term, and I would definitely see Bitcoin continuing to go up because it's been doing really well. But if you could see here before, for example, Bitcoin was forming some red candles on a weekly, and literally this gave you an indication that the market was going to change, and it did, look. And it's going to happen here. So if we see a few red candles on weekly, daily, then believe me, that's a sign to tell you and me that Bitcoin is going to drop soon. So I believe the drop's going to happen this year, within this year, definitely 100%. So for me, I'm staying out of Bitcoin until this level. That's when I'll definitely buy in at Bitcoin here. I've actually bought Bitcoin, I'm holding, but I bought in at when it was, at a low level. But for me to buy in it again, I wouldn't buy in. I'll just leave mine and just hold it anyway. But for you guys that want to buy in at and you haven't bought Bitcoin at all, then I would wait to this area here to be tested. So we all know about the bull run for Bitcoin. When will it end? Who knows? But I believe this can happen very soon, as I've put here. So yeah, so if you like my channel today and everything that I've said today, please put a like, please subscribe. And yeah, altcoins, Bitcoin, they're doing really well. Altcoin for me are buys. As long as you buy at the right level that I suggested, and you've watched my previous videos, you could see and it's literally happened. For Bitcoin, I believe Bitcoin isn't a buy for me at the moment. Bitcoin, if you're gonna jump in now, is gonna probably be a sell at this area here, and then buy at this area here. So then to buy, yeah. So for me, I would wait and I would be patient, because if you bought here, if you buy Bitcoin here and you get a sudden drop and your account can't hold it, then literally that's why a lot of people they lose a lot of money, because literally they're buying at the wrong levels. So you need to be careful, and literally just follow my YouTube channel, and literally you'll be okay. You'll be able to buy in at the right levels. All right, so I hope you enjoyed my channel today, and you got a lot of interesting information that will help you on your trading, that will help you learn about the different levels and to buy in at. And then, yeah, so we could see here, I just want to touch on this before I leave you guys. You see here, Bitcoin went as high up here, and then it just suddenly just started going down again. And that, I could believe, like, if anybody bought in here, they would have lost a lot of money. If they literally want to hold it, then I would say hold it in a wallet and hold it for the long term and just buy a bit of it. And if you'd done that there previously, then yeah, you would have been alright, because you could see a massive up movement here. So you could see here, got some of my indicators told you that it's going to drop from the RSI here, and it did drop. Now if you go back to this level, look at where the RSI is here. It's at the top again. Look, you can see this is a signal saying that the bears are going to come in. So that's what it's saying right there. It's too high. For me, it's too high. Yeah. So yeah, we could see a drop coming at some point. So guys, be careful. Continue to watch my video. Hit a like. Please subscribe. And yeah, just watch my video over and over again. If you don't get certain things, please hit me up. Please DM me if you want anything extra, and I'll get back to you. All right. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.